Hello and welcome. Today we have with us Mr. Bryce, Chief Investment Officer, Saturna, Berhad. Hello, sir. In your capacity as the Investment Officer, Chief Investment Officer of Saturna, what is your views on the Islamic finance industry, more so the post-financial crisis?
I think the post-financial crisis for our customer base is helpful in showing people that there's a lot of risk in the conventional banking industry, which really malfunctioned in the U.S. So we see that we have an additional marketing tool really to tell our customers, look, banks are a dangerous place to put your money, why don't you trust it with us?
What is the current appetite for investment by your customer base?
Our U.S. customer base is a little bit wary right now because the economy is so bad, unemployment is very high, and so I think that there is a emphasis on reining in spending and possibly limiting exposure to riskier investments. We definitely see that, but we think that in the rest of the world there is a more appetite for risk, and assets are starting to come into emerging markets to a larger extent even than they had been pre-crisis.
In your view, what does the future hold for Saturna?
Saturna is very optimistic about the future. We have largely cemented our position in the U.S. as the leading provider of Islamic investment management for the equity space. We think that there's a lot of inefficiencies in the rest of the world that we can leverage and take advantage of in making our case for how our investment process can lead to better outcomes for individuals and institutions. And we think that there are opportunities for us to take our 2 decades of expertise and put that to use in parts of the world where investors haven't had the ability in the past to benefit from our experience.
Thank you very much, sir. That was Mr. Bryce, Chief Investment Officer for Saturna, Berhad.